Yes, new milling machine. Gonna check it out. Alright, to start a new project, you must first create a new workpiece. For this tutorial, create a workpiece with following measurements: 50, 50, or 60, 60, oops, or 40. Let's see, we're gonna do aluminum, I guess. Position the camera by using your mouse, scroll mouse wheel in and out, yeah. Okay, hold it, yeah. Right click, okay. Go to the workshop to start milling. Click on play. Where is that? Okay. The device is opened. You will see transformation gizmo in it that allows you to rotate and move your workpiece. Try rotating the workpiece by using elliptical lines. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. Close device so your workpiece won't fly off the machine during work. Okay. Click close. Okay. Where the close at? Oh, close here. Switch from controlling the device to controlling the milling machine. Okay. Select the tool by clicking on it. The picture of it. Different tools are used for a variety of operations. Short description of every tool is written on an identification card. Mind the revolutions and feed written on it. This is important so you won't break your cutting tool. Revolutions are a number of how many times the cutting tool rotates per minute. This can be set on top corner in machine controller window. Feed is the optimal speed with which a workpiece can be fed to the cutting tool. You can set that with a slider in axis control window. This can be seen one of the axis movements is turned on. Please choose the first cutting tool. Solid carbide milling cutter. Shoot, there's no music or nothing. Let's get a little something, a little light thinking music here. I'm not what? Okay. It is used for plunge cutting, slotting, face milling, and many other applications. It can remove heavy material while providing a smooth finish. It saves time over traditional hogging and finishing process. Great thing about this tool is that possible to be easily resharpened without altering its form and therefore extending its life. For this tutorial, set tool width to 12. 0.472. Did I do it right? Set the tool on the milling machine, click mount. Okay, turn milling machine on by clicking switch button to the right. Check the axis on gizmo. It's located at the bottom right corner. Okay. Okay. Z, yep. Wait, so click on the checkbox. Try moving the arrows, okay. I see. Click on the arrow with the left mouse, hold it and slightly upwards, add speed to the movement. The higher you move, the faster the speed, but if you mill too fast, you might break your cutting tool. Move the cutting tool to approximately 1 centimeter. Switch to axis X. Alright, and Edge Finder will automatically stop head or table movement. Okay. Enable Edge Finder. Edge Finder will automatically stop head or table movement. Okay. Move the table with the workpiece edge. Turn Edge Finder off. Turn auto movement on by clicking the switch button to the right. Enable move position to position. This helps you when you're trying to mill a work piece to exact measurements. For example, when you're working on a project using blueprints. Setting 0 helps you recalculate measurements. For this tutorial, set position to 40 mm. Click on an arrow to move. For automatic movement, you do not need to hold the mouse button. When clicked, the tool will move to the set target position automatically. Oh. Turn auto movement off by clicking the switch off. Z axis, so we're going to Z. And try moving the arrows again. Move the cutting tool out of the workpiece. It is important to move the cutting tool out of the workpiece when you're trying to change the tool or rotate. These actions will not be possible if you don't have enough space. Okay. Turn the machine off. Okay. Enable measuring by clicking switch button to the right. Click the workpiece wherever you would like to measure and automatic measurement will be shown. To measure a groove, click the inside of it. Oh. To switch from measuring holes and grooves to measuring the outer parts, we'll click on the measure outside button. Okay, it is also possible to use manual measuring. Click the first point where you would like, then press Control. Okay, you can always make slight corrections by holding Control and re-clicking the second point. Manual measurements show you absolute distance between selected points. However, it can show absolute distance. Okay. Save your work so you can save completed work or whatever progress you've made so far, so you continue working on it another time. Go to select workpiece scene, back. Select workpiece you've been working on from the list shown in the left. If this is your first time playing, there will be one project shown. Later you'll have as many as you wish. Cool. To view your 3D project, click on Shown Model. Show Model. You can import projects if you got a file from a friend that you would like to work on. Export projects, send them to a friend. Rename projects, duplicate, delete. Okay. You can also switch between free milling mode and career mode. Whoa! Try switching by hovering the mouse over free milling. Sick, dude. Here you can see locked products on your left. These can be unlocked by milling workpieces following instructions shown on blueprints. They can be seen on the right side of the screen. We made a step-by-step video of the first workpiece where we guide you through the whole process. Good luck. This right here. What do I do? Okay, so let's try this again. Let's go milling machine. We're gonna move. Okay, so what am I doing? I missed something. Blueprint. It says create a cuboid with given dimensions. We recommend you use a shell in mill. The dimensions of the tool should be a bit larger than the dimensions of the workpiece. All right. Not sure what that means. Let me try it again. 85. Okay, so how? Okay, so we want to move. What? Did I miss the? Tutorial? Okay, so let me just let's see, boom. Telling me to go that way. Shit. Oh. Okay. Okay, so let's drop it down. Oh, not that. Access controller. Enable measure. So that's 93. We want to cut off, what did it say? 80. Wait. Shell? How do I know which one I'm moving? Shell end mill. Let's see. What is this? So, okay. Let's see. Blueprint says 85. So we want to take off 5 of it, I think. I don't know. We want to go 85. 85. Huh, won't let me change it. What the fuck? What the hell is going on? What happened? Okay, we need to lock it in, I believe. Blueprint says jeez. Okay, so we want to go how do we change it? And we want to use this shell and mill, okay? We recommend use of shell and mill. The dimensions of the tool should be a bit larger. Okay, I don't get it. $85, is that our target? This is no joke. Man, this camera is alright, so how the fuck? This This is not a game. Huh. Alright, let's see. Y. We want to measure Y. Doesn't say what. So I believe 80 is what we're trying to do. We can't change it. Wait a minute, are you supposed to just... $80? $80? $80, okay. How do I get it? Man, so... weird, man. This was fucking... This is crazy. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is so weird, dude. Cannot mount tool. What the heck? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm not sure. I gotta go back. I'm not ready for my career. What about it? Create a cuboid. What? Okay. Okay. How do I get my camera back to... Huh, weird, dude. Shit is hard. I need to study my milling. Gotta be able to figure this out, man. Turn off edge finder. Okay. Oh, look like I got it. I don't know why. I don't even know if that's the right distance. Just looked it up. Never mind. Shit. Why? I'm kind of getting it, but I don't get how to measure. Okay, let me see. Measure. Whoops. Stop. Okay, so we want to get it 85. How do we know? So, okay, this is 90. So I want to go 17.24 from where I am? I don't know. I used the wrong thing anyway. 17.24, let's see. 17.24, let's see what that is. How do you do this? Okay, so outside. I want to do x-axis. How do you... Okay, so we go there. We want to go 80. Wow, this is... Look at the... How do you measure? All right, let's just fucking... Oh man. Oh, I cut too much off. What the heck? Wait a minute. 80 at the top. I think I got it. So how do I do this? 2. .24. How do I do this? So I add 2.24? .24. Let's try that. Okay, let's see what happens here. Pretty weird, dude. Damn. Okay, 81. We're close, I think. Just want to move it over a little bit. This way. Y. You want to move it X. 80? Is that how it works? Oh, I cut too much off. So I can undo. I don't get it. Wow. No, do not. No, I'm gonna save it. I think I'm getting it. Okay, so we're gonna go shell and mill. The dimensions of the tool should be a bit larger than the dimensions of the workpiece. Show model. Okay. Okay. What's that about? Okay, so great. We want to all right, so 105. We want 105. So how do we do it? 105. So 105, we need 20 off. 25 off. Right? So how do I do that? 25 off. Let's see. 25. Let's see then. I guess you just do it till you get close. I don't know. fuck is that? Okay, so we'll just make a couple passes, I guess. I don't fucking know. So we're trying to go 20. What does that mean? Six point oh. What does that mean? So we're gonna go this way. That's not right. What the fuck? This is wow. Alright, this is, dude. How does camera? Wow, it's freaking nuts. So. Man, okay, alright, let's go. Let's go down. Ah. Okay, I get it. But I don't see how am I supposed to, how am I supposed to be guessing? Oh. Okay, so. This can't be how you do it. No way, dude. Alright, so we want to go to X. Alright, so let's just do 21. Let's see. I mean, how do we line it up? Alright, let's do it. Oh, we were close. What? I'm not trying to mill, I'm trying to back up. Wow, this is freaking... Okay, it's gonna take some getting used to, but I think I'm able to do it. Okay. So we are just a tad... We want to move it just a little over. How, though? $105. Okay, so this is intense, man. 105. What the hell? What? What? I'm supposed to just tap it? You can't change it. Like, so I'll just do this. Let me just do this then. Gotta be a better way. How do you even... I know there's gotta be a better way, dude. Shit, dude. I cannot figure this out. Just the cameras is... Alright, so we're gonna do... Let's just cut off that amount right there. Oh, man. Current position is 83. Okay, so we want to go 80. Huh? This is crazy, man. I don't know if I could do this. Okay. This is, I have to, how do you even, let me try one more time, man. No. Okay, let's try it. Am I just trying to get close to... $25. I want to do 25. Why is 40? Why? 40 is the smallest I can go. Okay. $105. Okay, so how do I... Okay, so we're gonna drop it. This is too much. Do I want to learn? Yeah, you know what? I think they could have maybe done a little better with these controls. I don't know. Let me see. All right, moving it. I think I might be getting somewhere. All right, let's turn it on. Let's pull it back, I guess, this way. Nope. $92. Okay. So we want to move this over a tad. Let's see here. Okay, let's see the measurement now. 91. Dude. What the fuck? How do I get back? Hold on, dude. So I want to go 11. Okay, so I think I'm on to something. So 15, wait, I'm confused too. Let's see, now let's pull it back. $80. Okay. Let's go. We got this, man. This is a real hobby shit. Okay, let's see. 80. 5. Okay, let's. $85. So we want to move it over a little more. Not 25, is it? Maybe. Okay, we are gonna get this. Very interesting. Is that all even? 81. $48. So we want to go. We already screwed up. 80. Huh? I am so confused, man. $80. That's gonna mess it up. So we just want to go back. 1.48, I think. How do you get it? $80. Okay. I want to take a little more off here. Can I get this perfect? Oh, too much. But dang it. What? How do I get it a little closer? I don't get it, man. This is very... Alright, let's try it one more time here. Okay, that's a little better. How do I get even closer? This should be perfect. Okay. But there's no like... This is... wow. It's also known as flat end. This is fun. I mean, wow. This is cool, actually. Now that I'm getting the hang of it, this is something you want to just jump on. What's it doing? It's because it's too deep. So you just trying to get it perfect, or are you gonna do? It's hard to do, that's for sure. So wait, let me see. What do I do? Okay. Let's see how we open this. It don't snap or nothing. Wait. There you go. Man, this is crazy, dude. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to learn how to do it because it seems pretty cool. But yeah, it's cool for now, man. Hope you guys liked it. I had to do a little more research on it, but it seems like it's pretty cool. It's chill. Look, there's lots of blueprints. Wow, dude, this could be fun. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll have to look more into it, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out, look further into it, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.